Hey y'all, this is Donna from Elementor. Today I'm going to show you how to use Elementor's Google Maps widget. This is a useful addition to your home or contact pages so users can easily locate your business in the real world. For this tutorial, I'll be using the free restaurant homepage template. So, on a fresh blank page, let's click on the Add Template button and click to insert our free template. Great! Let's scroll down to the Visit Us section. As you can see, there's a map here. We're going to delete it, so right-click and choose Delete. Now, in the Widgets panel, let's search for the Google Maps widget and drag it here. Let go when you see the blue line is displayed. Once it's dragged into its place, you will see on your left the Edit Google Maps area. First, under Content, we need to set our address. I thought it would be fun to imagine eating at Disney today. Sounds good? Okay, so let's enter 1313 Disneyland Drive, Anaheim, California. Just like that, the map is updated to show the happiest place on earth. Next, let's set the zoom level. Zoom allows you to zoom in or out of the map to get a closer look at the address or see a broader perspective of the area. The next option allows us to control the height of the map. If you want to change the width of the map, you'll need to adjust the column width. Grab the edge of the column and drag it to the width you'd like. Next, let's see the Style options under the Style tab. Here you can set CSS filters for normal and hover state. Click on the pencil to edit the settings. As you can see, there are various filters you can adjust here. Blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. We'll leave our map as is for now. One popular design technique is to place a full-width map on the page. I've created the same page here, only with a full-width map, as you can see. Let's discuss how to create that now. First, we'll delete this map to create our own. Great. Now, click the Add New Section button, and we'll choose one column. As we did before, I'll search for the Google Maps widget and drag it into our new section. Let's preview this. I'll click to hide the panel. Obviously, we have some work to do to make this map full width. To do that, we'll edit the section's layout settings. Click the section's handle to edit its settings. Under Layout, notice that the content width of my section shows boxed. We'll want to change that to full width. Great! That gets us really close, but if you notice, we still have this small gap around the sides. It's really easy to get rid of that. Just change the section's columns gap to no gap. Awesome! The gap is gone, and our map is now full width. That's it. For more video tutorials, click the subscribe button and tap that bell to be notified when new videos are released. You can also browse Elementor's extensive documentation at docs.elementor.com. Catch y'all later!